Michael, let's talk a little bit about biotech and what's behind this general move higher.
Hey, well, it's great to be here. Good to see you guys. I think it's pretty simple. Over the last month or two, obviously, the market and investors are quite concerned about where inflation is going, whether we're going into recession. And you look at some of these names like Biogen and Gilead and Vertex. These are companies that meet or beat earnings. They raised guidance in the last quarter. And I think you and I would both agree that visibility on cancer drugs and new diabetes drugs and new obesity drugs are pretty visible over the next 12 months. So we think it's been a great place to be. We think people are catching on to that, but we still think there's more to go.
I want to go through the individual names, but I'm just curious, why do you think that they were under-owned, 2-3 months ago?
Yeah, I mean, I think if you look at the first half of the year, there was certainly concern about drug pricing. There was definitely concern about growth. And quite honestly, I think most people were assuming that we're still coming out of a post-COVID recovery play. So you go back to the first half of 22, obviously, again, you look at where tech stocks were, you look at where cyclicals were, these stocks were on a tear. You look at where Facebook and Google and all of these others are today. There's been a complete reversal as people are fearing inflation, rising interest rates, and again, obviously rotating into things that are a little bit more defensive.
I guess when you see up 27%, up 26%, up 44% year to date in a year where most things are down, you begin to naturally, one might ask, am I too late to nibble at these? I assume you would say no.
Well, I think on one side, Tyler, you got to remember these stocks were super cheap and super well owned. So even though they're up 20, 30, 35, 40% off the bottoms earlier this year, where people hated these names, didn't need to own it, certainly drug pricing concerns. Sure, we've had a nice move off the bottom. Secondly, they're still not expensive. So, it'd be one thing to say they're up and they're trading at huge multiples, but you take a look at something like Biogen, which is still trading at maybe 17 or 18 times. You look at something like Gilead, which is trading at 11 times. That I think they beat the quarter, still cheap. So we still think there's room to go. I don't think anyone thinks a recession or anything is going to end tomorrow, and I certainly think this is a good place to own some exposure to biotech.